cut his head off. Dude, shut up, PlayStation.
Oh, fuck!
Don't get mad! I didn't know what to do!
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed, a magical ritual on your head.
Oh,
It
man.
was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
How do you know that?
Juliet? How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
Well, there's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird.
Weird.
I'm kinda, sort of,
What? Juliet?
Don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Come here and kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What?
Okay, then. Wet. This game is great.
Don't hate me!
Don't hate me! I hate you. Get this table out of my way. Fucking table. What do you want? A piece of me chair? You want some of this desk? Hey, what is this big old dresser? I'm gonna beat you. Ooh, what are you talking about? Get some style. You want a piece of this? You want some style? Let's put some style in your life. Cut your head off. You want a piece of this? Got to leapfrog you, cut you right up the middle. That's right. Rainbows over your head. I wanted to do it again. Yeah! Rainbow! I wanted to make a double rainbow. No, it's not. Hey, quit! Yay! Yeah, that's right. Your head's decapitated. Get drop. Desk! Oh, overhead projector! Meet again one day, overhead projector. I promise you this. Look at all these dead bodies. Oh, Lollipop. I want it so bad. I want this Lollipop. I will have you, Lollipop.
Something exploded. What the hell was that?
So delicious. Let's see. Let's look at all this stuff. Man, that's not... Bench! Get out of my face. I know you've been eyeing my boyfriend, and I don't like that. Fire hydrant! Open that door. Have you ever heard of a knob? Hey,
it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
Mr. Fitz dead. What did you call me?
This kind of math sucks.
You gotta be kidding me. What is this song I'm hearing? I love it. I don't know what he called me, but I'm gonna take out this classroom full of students and then I'm gonna beat his face with the style. Get off of me! Get off of me! Oh, you got... I'm sorry, did I just massacre your face? Hey, I'll cut your legs off, boy. Get out of here. I killed him. You better not let any more zombies in here. Friends, this guy always knew that you had something against me. You were the first one to hit me. Oh, I killed him. I knew Francisco was a bad egg. That's why you're not on the cheer squad anymore, because you're dead. Hey. Let me show you something. It's just me and you, Hey, Hillary! I was trying to monologue you. But now you get cut up right up the middle. Yeah, that's right. Mr. Fitzgibbon. Don't you jump out the... I'm cutting your stuff up. Right, well, I'm gonna cut your desk, or your... How's that chair still standing up? Get that out of here. I'm about to punch your pile of desks in the corner. Rah-rah system, stupid desk. I don't even care about the rest of them. You aren't even worth... Whoa!
What's this? bomb?
That's royally effed up.
That's some whack shit!
Zombies can't hear you if you walk slow. No, don't eat her.
You should help them, right?
Don't worry, I'll take care of them.
Oh god. There's a key. I'll save you. I will save you. Yay, a key. I mean a golden lollipop. Woo.
I'm drooling.
I'm sorry. Was I supposed to be saving someone? Hey, hey. What is with your hair? What are you, Billy Idol? Get out of here. Woo, there's that walking zombie. Sparkle hunting. That Twilight Sparkle. I am going to kill you. Out of you. Get out of my face. Get some style. You okay? Hey. I've had it with you crawlers. The crawlers. I saved your life. You should thank me. I have to go save her.
I fucked up my math test! I need help!
What? How dare you fuck up your math test? Get out of my face. They're dead. Is that good enough for you?
I thought I'd be saved by someone with such great tips.
Excuse me, sir. Let me look at them. Whoa, they jiggle. They're not bad. I like them. Would you get out of this hallway? Disappear like the other guy did. Oh man, he's not dead yet. Don't eat her. You do your homework.
Fitzgibbon again.
I need some food. I'm far too. Teacher zombies are the worst. Find their weak spot, make them vulnerable, and attack. Put that desk down. Put that desk down. I'll jump over you. Oh, right in the back, boy. Right in the back. Right in the back. You like that? I like it. I love it. Makes me feel this panty region. In my pantular region. About to put some style on you, Mr. Fitzgibbon. Mr. Fitzgerald. Ella Fitzgerald. What is that blue? You ain't gonna hit me again. I saw it last time. Yeah, that hurt, didn't it? That hurt, Mr. Fitz. Hey, stop! Stop! Oh yeah, that's right. Give me 2 gold or 2 platinum medals. Whoa. Oh man, a bomb zombie. Bomb zombie. You're funny. No.
I think that zombie seriously had dynamite strapped to it.
Why
You think?
would somebody do that?
You think that. You don't know that, but you think it. It's time for the San Romero Knights. Oh man, they just got bit. I have to kill them. Oh, save. Whoa, there's a bus. Huh.
That was close.
Guess I won't save you.
5 o'clock news.
Guess I'll go back the other way. What's that back there? It looks really shiny and I like it. You can just cut anything with this chainsaw. What in the hell is that thing? Ew!
This zombie might work. Hey,
No,
we need to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
no.
Yeah, right. I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
Excuse me?
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Whoa.
Huh?
When you find a blue headless zombie, you can put Nick's head on it. A minigame will then ensue.
Just like this.
Hey.
Whoa. This feels weird. Blue and stuff.
You're cool, man. Can I have your head back? Sparkly lollipop. I'm gonna eat one. Ooh, I have 5.
Strawberry's my favorite.
Strawberry's my favorite too.
Nick, look! If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
What?
Whatever, dude.
How do I answer that? How do I answer that phone call? Every button I hit. I'm gonna hit every button. Select. No. How do I answer the phone calls? I'm gonna have to Google this. Alright guys, so I just looked it up, and it turns out you're not supposed to answer the phone. They actually put the calls go in here. How do I change tabs? Yeah, okay, I see. And then you get like this kind of stuff. Unclean and uncool. Fruity bones. There it is. Don't do anything stupid.
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
You shut up, Mom. You don't tell me how to live my life. I'm sorry, Mom. I didn't mean that. I'll listen to the rest of those later. Maybe I'll do something after I finish the game and find all of them. Threads! Sexy American Casual for 10 gold platinum medals? Zombie Festival all day for 3 platinum medals. Art collection for 5 and 1 gold medal. Awesome skills. Wait, I want to increase my health if there's any health upgrading. Nick ticket. A Nick ticket is required to use Nick roulette. What? What? Crunchy Monker cereal. Increases Juliet's health by 10% permanently. Woo! Power dumbbells. Ooh, increases Juliet's strength. I'm out of magic beans. Oh, I ate everything. Juliet down position more quickly. Hold on, I want to look at awesome skills now. Cheerleader chain. Whoa, hold on. Armadillo spin. I think I want to get that cheerleader chain. It sounds really cool. Cheerleader chain. Press 5 up to 5 times. Move zombies around to get them groggy more quickly. Cool. Cool. I thought it was cherry pie. Man, I haven't got a chance. I'm gonna buy this. Woo! I want to put on my new threads. How do I put them on? Give me my new threads. I think it's gonna be under this actually. Whoa. Nick ticket. Magic beans, crunchy monker cereal, power dumbbells. Change down. Sexy American Casual. How do I put that on? I ain't worried about it. Wait, what? Oh. I ain't worried about it. I'm worried about it. You guys ready for the cheerleader chain? Push L when you have a Nick ticket. Nick roulette! Whoa. What do I have to do? Oh, I have to stop it on Nick. Whoa, yeah, I got a twirly.
You're so sexy, Nick. I love you, baby.
I'm in Sparkleville.
Nick toss.
Nick toss.
Ready?
What do I do? What? 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 What is going on? I like how I hit them in the feet and decapitated them. Also, I just want everyone to know that I am more confused by that than I've been confused by anything in a long time. Oh no, is he dead? He turned into a zombie. Oh man.